There's the objective for today, Mount Rundle. The time is 8:44 a.m. on today, October 10th? 10th or 11th? It's October 10th or 11th, 2024. And this will be my attempt of Mount Rundle, the main peak, which is not the true summit, but it's the most accessible one. Let's see how this day goes. I'm at 2278 meters above sea level now. So just starting to come out of the forest. Scenery has been spectacular. I am blown away by these gorgeous mountains. I'm extremely grateful to be hiking in what I can only guess must be one of the most beautiful places in the world. Holy smokes. This is looking very doable to me, this peak. I'm not sure if I'm getting it there. We'll see. Just met Evan, so it looks like we'll scramble up together, which should be good. Probably going to be some slippery spots on the slab, as I just experienced. Parts of this slab have been a little bit icy. So what I've done is stopped and down climbed a bunch of sections to see if I feel safe enough for the descent. I do. And now the slab is cleared up a little bit. I'm on a feature known as, I believe it's called the Devil's Back. Yeah, I think so. And it's looking pretty gnarly, pretty awesome. And I'm happy that there's less ice on this section than what I just climbed. Still got to be careful though. Not going to mess around too much with this camera. Really been enjoying following these bunny trails this way up. There they are right there. And if my little bunny friend can do this, we can do it. Of course, bunnies have four-wheel drive. Just jaw-droppingly beautiful. Time to focus on the trail. Just behind me is the summit of Mount Rundle, main peak. I'm not going to make it. I'm at 2,550 meters, and this snow and ice on the Dragon's Back is not safe. Not safe enough for me. So I will attempt this next year. Here is a look at the Dragon's Back on Rundle at 2,550 meters on October 10th. As you can see, there's a decent amount of, a little bit of snow. The snow is not concerning me, but what's concerning me is there's icy patches. And while it's manageable to go up, I'm quite nervous about coming down this. So I'm not going to hit the summit today. I'm stopping about 300 meters shy. Kind of breaks my heart, but I'm going to live to try it another day. So here we are, Dragon's Back on October 10th. And I'm 3 hours 40 minutes into my hike. Time to head down. So this is the first time I've ever turned back on an objective, on a hiking objective or a scramble. I've always been able to make it, but part of the reason I made this decision today is I'm doing this solo, and so there's no one to help me if I have an accident. I did meet a guy named Evan partway up the trail, but he turned back before I did. That was also a factor in my decision to no longer proceed. And I feel like this is an important milestone in a hiker's career, to actually turn back on objectives, even though you really want to do it and you feel physically like you could do it. I'm happy to have reached what I believe is an important stage in my hiking career, to say no to something in the name of safety. bad spot for lunch. I get to keep living. So I'm finished with the hike, and about 100 meters, if that, away from where I locked my Segway to a tree. But unfortunately, that area is currently, there's a whole bunch of elk there. So I'm just gonna have to sit and wait it out till they pass by. Quite amusing. Beautiful hike. I did 1,200 meters and a little over 12K, and that's a day.